And the latest COVID data shows Puerto Rico leading all U.S. states and territories when it comes to vaccinations. The White House says at least 72% of Puerto Rico's 3.2 million residents are vaccinated. That's about 15 percentage points higher than the national average. NBCNews.com reporter Nicole Acevedo joins us now. Nicole, first off, give us the big picture here. What is working there? What is behind the high vaccination rate in Puerto Rico? Someone told me that it's because the vaccination wasn't particularly politicized there. What are you hearing on the ground?
Hi, Morgan. Well, that's actually kind of true. The fact that you had officials and the people in Puerto Rico, maybe they were debating on what to do, if strict measures needed to be in place or not, but they agreed on one thing, and it was that the healthcare system in Puerto Rico has been fragile for a long time, meaning that even in a normal day, the healthcare system in Puerto Rico is not in shape to meet the demand of the people. And when the COVID-19 pandemic happened, people knew that, especially reeling from other disasters such as Hurricane Maria and earthquakes. So when the government started implementing safety measures such as wearing a mask, Puerto Rico was one of the first jurisdictions to implement a mask mandate, curfews, lockdowns. People really responded to that because they knew that maybe if they get sick, there may not be a hospital bed available. There may not be a doctor who can help them recover. So they really it was the people. That was the driving force, taking it seriously and trusting each other.
But how did everyone react, Nicole? I mean, I'm thinking about, I was in Puerto Rico maybe a month ago, 2 months ago, and it was interesting because I had to show my vaccination card as soon as I got off the plane to enter and re-enter the hotel. Everyone in the hotel was wearing masks. But what's the feeling there towards mandates that some here in the mainland might consider a bit strict? I mean, were those mandates initially welcomed or were they considered too harsh?
No, the feelings were mixed. People thought it was harsh, and particularly people were a little upset about the reason why these mandates were so strict. And it was because at the time, Puerto Rico didn't have enough information to make informed decisions. Their testing rates were one of the lowest per capita of any other jurisdiction. And they really didn't know where that peak was going to happen. So it was almost like trying to kill a mosquito with like a gun. That's a popular saying on the island.
Right.
And people were like, if we had more information, maybe our businesses would not be affected by lockdowns as much. But the reality was that people wanted to survive. And that's why they at the end of the day, even with these feelings, comply and are getting vaccinated.
Well, Nicole, we appreciate your reporting and always keeping our friends and neighbors in Puerto Rico ahí enfrente. Thank you so much for your reporting. We appreciate it.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.